There's a, there's some complicating immigration factors, um, with the United States of America as a host nation, and that posture cannot be ignored. It is important, again, that we take a precise look, because while the U.S. has basically paused immigrant issuing visa activities in some 75 countries, it doesn't impact directly tourist B1, B2 travel in an across the board way. But the reality, is that an immigration pause basically is always going to bring everything within the same the same um, spectrum. And so broader restrictions and suspensions affecting certain nationalities and categories can still disrupt fan travel and confidence. Most importantly,